Hello guys, happy 2023. Yeah, singeli. This is my first vlog in 2023 and I am at the Big Apple, New York City, honey. So I had a 15-hour flight, Bangan. 15-hour flight. So I'm wearing glasses because one, is too cold outside and I am jet lagged. I didn't sleep, so I have eye bags. I don't want to be in New York looking like Ipara, like I'm fungbonala like Ipara, guys. And I'm supposed to go out with colleagues. They had to text the timings, but I quickly went out to get myself a cuppa, my famous caramel macchiato. The reason why I went out without my colleagues first, I'm gonna meet them anyway. So don't you like since I was at work 15 hours, 35,000 feet above sea level, I had to chew in English, swallow in English. I had to look like I've got etiquette. I couldn't even chew the bones. So guys, Mina, I just want to unwind. One, secondly, I just want to eat in my own language. I want to chew in my own language. I want to swallow in my own language. Like, why waste lung all the time? Why English all the time, you know? So yeah, this is my chance again. So I was like, let me quickly run, get my coffee and something to snake on before I meet my colleagues. That way I am revitalizing emotionally, physically, mentally, so that when I see them, whether it's lunch or dinner, I do not have to chew my bones. I have to look like, you know. But guys, how do you manage those who are in a work environment where you have to speak English 24/7, like 24/7? It's English left, right, and center. And when you get home, since you're in a foreign country, you're just a resident in a foreign country, still get fun. You have to speak in Ilona in English. The only time you get to speak in your language is when you video call back home, or voice notes, or your colleagues who are from the same place as you. And the other thing, I had one person from the same country. Yeah, we're only two. The rest, like there were 4 nationalities together, so it's easy for them to relate and everything. She never see it too. And the thing is, the other guy was Afrikaans. Mina, I just know Zulu, I know Sutu. So the only thing he could say, Nje, Ubatum, Mogel, Highway na, Hi Suga, you know, those things. Mina, the only thing I could say is, as a belief, my skirt, my leaf here. Like, and at that time when we want to go sleep, we just had to look at each other, because you know, when you're from the same place, that eye contact, you know, the eye contact is showing. So that's what was happening. So I'm just trying to unwind before I go out there with my colleagues again. And yeah, this is 2023, guys. So for me, I haven't done my vision board. I'm going to do it before the end of Jan. And what I want to practice mostly this year is moving in silence. You know, what people don't know, what people don't understand, they can't kill it. But when people know your moves, when people know what you're planning, it's easy for them to kill it. And I mean, now we can be in the same room or same house and you wouldn't even know what I'm planning. The reason why I do that is people can't kill what they do not know. But they can talk about it. People have a tendency of talking about things that they do not know. So I'd rather you talk about me than you killing me. So this year, let's just try, guys. Move in silence, smash your goals. Do whatever it takes, Mogel. Do whatever it takes for you to get that goal. Mina, I'm a hustler. When I say I want something, I get it. I pray about it. I think about it all the time. I Google it until I get it. So now 2023, bangin, like it's your time. Go out there, you know, shine. You do not have to have big goals. You do not have to dream big. If it's a dream of being able to afford Zara, go for it. It's a dream, Miguel. No one is stopping you. We cannot stop you. If your dream is to travel, go for it. You travel. You will look at me. Look at me. I see almost 5 different countries in a month. Because why? I had a dream. I prayed about it. It got me. Yeah. Today I'm at the Big Apple, New York City. Boo, 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 boo. Okay, I'm gonna take you out in a few minutes. Let's go to New York City. Okay, guys. So we're out and about. Well, I'm out and about. Yo, it's raining and yeah, it's so cold. Cause yeah, it's so cold. Anyway. Let's go out there. Hi. This way, like guys in. We'll look for food and I just want Ilona, the ordinary products. Then I'm good to go. Ordinary products. New York is beautiful, guys. New York is beautiful. Let me guys show you. Looks like there's a Starbucks in every corner. My type of vibes. Yeah. I don't know if I'm going in settles or what. All I need is some food, decent food, and the ordinary products. Hope I'll find them soon. Cause wow, it's cold and it's freezing until it's raining. So this is New York. Those who haven't been here or you're planning to get here, Ecolab, I bet you the Big Apple, this is what they mean. So guys, we're at Sephora in New York. Yo, I'm so cold. I am so cold. Look at my hair, guys. Yo, you went like I'm so look at that. It's such a big space. I feel like screaming. Okay, hope they do ordinary products, yeah. Oh, at least they have Mario Badescu. I'm a Mario Badescu fan. Especially this one. I like that spray. It does the things. Okay, I'm looking for not Killies or ordinary. Someone is by ordinary, so that's Menganman. Okay. Tracy didn't know she had a product. Okay, so your ordinary products that your faves are selling it for, I don't even know. Look, they're not really expensive, quite cheap. $9. The Glyco, there's a $10 one and a $13 one. Okay, let me choose what I want, then I'll be back. Okay, so these are the products that I've bought for now. Let's check out the makeup section. Yeah, space is big, Jehovah. So big. So they have their Fenty products. $34, $26, $18. It's not that expensive. Oh, we have Laura Mercier. I know their powder is very good. I'm not sure about the foundation, but the powder. I haven't tried Charlotte Tilbury. Let's do that. This is a Sephora collection. NARS. Yeah, I'm a NARS fan. I use NARS for my foundations all the time. NARS. It's only not that much. $150. Not bad. Flawless. Yeah. This one I use the Nylon Barcelona. No, it's too big for me. I use Mocha. I can't find it. Oh, I can't see it there. I can't see it here. But yeah, this is my foundation, my go-to foundation. Alrighty, so we're done. Then we look for food now. We need food. Guys, I'm back in my hotel room, so I went to Sephora to get my ordinary products. All these products, they cost me how much? Okay, 27. Can you guys see that? 27 something, 26. So what did I buy? I got the niacinamide. Yeah, the 30 mils niacinamide. I also got the glycolic acid. Yeah, 240 mils, and I got this one. I want to try this one. I've never tried it before. The Haute Cleansing Balm. I haven't tried it. I think it was around $6. $6. Yeah. So yeah, that's all I did today. I should be going back tomorrow. After this, I'm gonna get some rest, and then what am I gonna do? The thing is, it's too cold, it's raining. I'll probably rest and then go get some dinner. That's it. Tomorrow I'm leaving in the evening, so I still have more time. I might go shopping again, but yeah, so far those are the only things that I bought on this trip. And yeah, I wonder how people live here. It's so cold. It's too cold for me. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and even share the video. If you're always watching my videos and not sharing or liking or subscribing, how about stop being a hater? Just like nje, it's for free. It's just for free. I'm waiting for you. Go ahead. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that it informs you when I post more videos. And guys, let me know what else you'd like me to post about on the comments below. And thank you for watching this far. Toodles. Let's go look for Din Din. I need dinner for tonight. Tired of hotel food, so I'd rather go and order. I'd rather go look for food outside. Alright guys, it's so cold that night. It's cold. At least it stopped raining now, so it's much better. But yeah, this is New York. Yeah. So let's wait. Okay, so at least it stopped raining. It's freezing though, but not that bad. Angazi kwenzakalani kulawa bantu abanqunu kodwa abantu abanqunu. Oh God. I'm gonna get my dinner, but I'm with them. Let's turn it over to the other side. Used to do. Oh God. It's so beautiful. Look at that.